life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the finger, look.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Locs, back with another video today. It has been a minute, but I'm back on YouTube today with another video that I am super excited to bring to you guys. So before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, also that notification bell, so you can be notified when your girl Locs uploads new videos. All right, let's get into it. All right, so today what we're going to be doing is the butterfly locks, faux locks. I saw these on Pinterest and I was like, oh my god, girl, you need to go ahead and put these in your hair and try them out. Now, there wasn't really a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do this hairstyle. However, it's so easy. It's just like doing faux locks in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Now, I want to also say I do apologize that I did not film this video from beginning to the end. I really wasn't going to film a video on it. But I ended up really liking the hairstyle, so I was like, dang, let me just go ahead and film a video. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Now, what I used for this hairstyle, and y'all not even gonna believe this, I only used like, I believe it was like maybe 2.5 packs to 3 packs of the water wave hair. And then I also used some Marley hair. I think I used like 2 packs of that, of Marley hair. You don't have to use this. You can actually use like 4 pieces of this type of hair. The reason why I use this hair is because I like for it to actually hold onto the braid. My hair is really short, so I just really wanted something that will be able to grip the hair and it won't unravel. So yes, I use gel, crochet needle, water wave hair, and also Marley hair. Like I said, you do not have to use Marley hair. I did it because that's what I just wanted to do. Okay, period. Alright, so now I've already taken one out. I've had these in for probably about a week and a half now. They are starting to unravel a little bit. So yeah. So I went ahead and took one of them out. So what I typically do, so what I did with this hairstyle is I just did little plaits all around my head just like this. My plaits and my parting is not all uniform and together, so it's just whatever, wherever. Okay. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this crochet needle. I'm going to slide it through here. And I'm going to hook this Marley hair to the crochet needle. Alright, and I'm going to bring that through. And then I'm just going to pull one end of it through. Boom. Now, I don't need all this hair, but let me just say this. Next time I do this type of style, I'm going to go longer. Because these are super freaking cute. Like, I just love the whole feel of these. You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely going to go longer. So yeah, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just cut some of this off. Just maybe like, yeah, probably like right here. Maybe this is probably too short, but whatever. I cut that much off. And now I'm going to go ahead and open this pack of hair. So we're going to take another piece of this. We're going to take this hair, the water wave hair. We're going to do that same method. Hook it on. Pull it through. We're only going to take out one side. Now, what you can do is before you even pull it through, you can unravel it a little bit. But for me, I just like to unravel it while I already have it in my hair. It just seems like it's just easier to pull through that way. Now is I'm going to go ahead and take this hair, pull it apart, and I'm going to start wrapping it. And you want to wrap it probably about maybe like 3 to 4 times around the base of the hair. But I am going to tell y'all something. So you see how these little things right here, like how the little flowy pieces, I'm going to show you guys how to get that. Alright, so what I like to do is you can either do this with your thumb or your index finger. You're going to hold it just like that. You're going to bring it through just like that. You're going to twist it around your finger. And then boom. See that? That's how you get that the little things on the to get like the little hairs to be pulled out, to get more of that bohemian look. Now some people find it easier to do it with your thumb. You could do it either or. I find it more easier, especially doing it on myself, to just do it with my my index finger. I just find it to be a lot easier. That's just my preference, and that's what I'm gonna do. Keep twisting it around, keep twisting it around. But I just love it when it goes, when this happens. Like, I think it just makes it more doper. You know what I'm saying? Just bomb, yo. Alright, so when you get to the end, you want to just fold it just like this. And you want to continue to wrap right back up. And then I'm going to show you a trick of what I like to do to make sure it stays in place. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is that I do. Some people do it, some people don't. This is just my preference of what I like to do, because I love all things messy. You guys should know this. If you have been a true follower of mine, you already know I like it messy, like real messy. What I like to do to make sure I do maintain the lock, excuse me, I like to use nail glue. I just like to place it. Ooh, I dropped some. It's gonna be so sticky, freak. And I just like to twist it around, just like that, and then boom. This is it. I just love the messiness of this hairstyle. I think that's what really has, like, really got me. But yeah, so that is really it. Like I told you guys, they do not hurt. They're not heavy. And like I said, you know how when you get faux locks done and you get someone to, when they twist it, it just hurts so freaking bad. Like super bad. I don't know if it's because of this type of hair that it just, it doesn't have that much, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, that much pull or tug, that the heaviness of it, I guess. Maybe that's it, the heaviness of it. Because when you use that Cuban link hair, girl, I'll be like, oh my God, take these out right now. During this whole pandemic situation, my weight has gone down tremendously. I believe I've lost like 10 pounds since this whole situation has occurred. And that is because of the fact that I'm not eating at work. Because I'm in fear if I open my mouth, then corn is going to enter my body. I know I'm just doing the most and overthinking it. I understand it, because I could go to a whole secluded place, but even there, I feel like, oh, well, my coworkers have been in there. I don't know how safe they've been. I don't know what they've been doing. So it kind of like messes with my brain. So it has caused me not to be able to eat, which is so not good. But now I am trying to get my weight back up. I just go outside in my car, and I'll just eat in my car instead of eating inside the building. So that way I'm not losing any more weight, because when I lose weight, I look sick, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that is all that I have for you today. I know you guys are like, girl, ain't nobody trying to hear you rumble about your weight. I get it. I understand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think of this style, or if you do it, if you have some better techniques, let your girl know, because I am feeling this hairstyle. I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna be probably rocking this for the rest of the summer, because it's just that bomb, period. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you later. Peace.